Today let's head on to explore the famous Kyoto Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Walking through the forest is magical, so join me in this fantastic opportunity. Let's do this. From the Kyoto city center, it is about half an hour by metro or 45 minutes by bus to get to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Finally arriving to the bamboo forest, the first impression is spectacular. In Kyoto, this place is one of the top visited and photographed destinations. The forest is located near the famous Tenryu-ji Temple. There are thousands and thousands of these very tall bamboo plants. In fact, the total length of the path is about 500 meters or over 1600 feet and will take you about an hour to walk it non-stop. If you stop and sightsee everything there is, then it could take you up to 3 to 4 hours, but it is much worth it. Did you know that in Japan, bamboo shoots are used in a lot of dishes like ramen and they're very delicious. They remind me of cooked mushrooms to the taste. This is the Nonomiya Shinto shrine. No, this is cool. What do you think about the magnificent bamboo forest?
They're so tall, the bamboo, it's so crazy. Yeah.
Hi. Walking through the bamboo path, you will see a lot of rickshaws. These men pulled carts, as well as people dressed in traditional kimonos wearing geta or traditional flip-flop like shoes. As you walk through the forest, you will feel like you're in a different world. Arigato.
Thank you.
That's so cool.
There's a train like that divides the forest.
Back in the city, the 131 meter or 430 foot tower in the distance is the steel Kyoto Tower weighing 800 tons, which stands on a 9-story building. After the forest, we decided to catch the Shinkansen bullet train from the Kyoto Station heading back to Tokyo. The total trip will take us about 3 bullet hours. Next, let's visit the Komatsugaike Park in Miura Kanagawa to check out the plum blossoms. Let's explore the park, indulge in some beautiful views and try some delicious food, so join me only on the epic travel adventures. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.